Maccaferri, a name that stands for engineering excellence since more than 140 years. Today, we are known to deliver versatile, cost-effective, and environmentally sound solutions. Present in India since 1998, today, celebrate 20 glorious years of success. For India, we majorly cater to application sectors like landslide mitigation, rockfall protection, river training, pavement stabilization, ground improvement, drainage and retention, and erosion control. Our most popular systems include gabion gravity walls, Reno mattress linings, Terra Mesh soil reinforcement system, Paraweb reinforced vertical walls, rockfall barriers, high energy absorption panels, drainage composite, Paralink as basal reinforcement, and geotextile tubes and bags. Maccaferri India's journey is the embodiment of years of passion and commitment and working towards a vision. A vision made possible with the synergy of man and machine, experience and expertise, geographical spread and range of solutions to meet complex industry demands. We commenced our operations from Nariman Point in Mumbai and since then have grown from strength to strength, thanks to a dedicated team under the leadership of great visionary, the late Mr. J.N. Marotra.
2 decades of Maccaferri in India must have been a very exhilarating experience. But for the country, it was a welcome entry of Maccaferri because, in my judgment, over a period of about a decade or so, Maccaferri found its feet, and today I think it's reckoned as one of the much needed organization or a firm with enormous potential for the future. There was a time when in 1964 we used to read about gabion technology developed more than 100 years back by this, and there was hardly any information on this being used anywhere in India.
Even till 1997, gabions were not accepted in the Indian market until we began using it on a pilot basis. It was only after their deployment in our projects for Delhi-Noida flyover Mumbai-Pune Expressway and Konkan Railway, gabions became a huge success, thus becoming an integral part of guidelines. The Sabarmati project was our first riverfront development project with 13 meters high Terra Mesh wall. This period became a turning point for Maccaferri in India. As Mr. Roy took charge as the new managing director, the company grew by leaps and bounds under his leadership. With this in line with Maccaferri's global acquisitions and mergers, a similar strategy was successfully implemented in India. This was further aided by introducing newer product lines and innovations in planned phases over the following years. In 2010, Mr. Roy received Business Excellence Award by the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce for achieving exponential growth in spite of a very challenging global economic scenario.
On this important occasion, I am proud and very happy to state that Maccaferri India enjoys a position of technical and market leadership in the country. For this, I would like to thank all our clients, customers, consultants, bankers and financial institutions, vendors and business associates, institutions and organizations that have supported us, our competition, the government, our shareholders and all the global colleagues. But most importantly, I salute my colleagues and team members whose dedication, commitment and loyalty have been the driving force for our continued success. In the coming years, we hope to grow at a faster clip and set newer benchmarks of technical excellence.
Many of our projects have been applauded for their innovation and execution in extremely challenging conditions and sites across the country. But the most unique aspect of all projects is the cost effectiveness, flexibility, and the adoption of local labor and material. What's more, we don't just construct, but even monitor its performance. This is a true testament to Maccaferri's prowess in engineering excellence. In 2012, our Seacom Airport project won the prestigious Ground Engineering Award for the International Project of the Year.
Maccaferri to my company are not my vendor, but they are like partner to us. Whenever we bid, we sit together. They give us the most competitive bid, considering most value engineered bid, so that we are L1. And after we get a project, we again sit together and we try that to get more profitability on the projects. They try to match the local market with respect to rates. Whenever we are on the project, supervision also is being done by them. And the people at site, they are quite cooperative, supportive and technically sound. If we see the record, almost whatever projects we are doing, these are with Maccaferri, and in future also, we hope that whatever project we will win, we will go with your company only.
And to cater to more regions, opened new offices and commenced manufacturing operations at our Una and Shirur plants. A project of national importance, the road widening project on the NH21, the slopes in hill and valley at Kiratpur are subject to frequent slips and flash floods, thus leading to multiple collapses and accidents. Maccaferri India contributed by deploying technologies and by acting as material supplier and installer for the stabilization and protection systems for hillside and valley side. These included reinforced soil systems with different types of fascia, gabion walls, and rockfall barriers. The slopes stabilized have different heights ranging from 10 to 32 meters in some of the most challenging terrain. We received Excellency Award in taking safety initiatives and best performance from our client, IL&FS.
The Kiratpur Nerchok 4-lane project is a quite important project for us. This project has multiple challenges: mountainous terrain in a seismic zone, rains, etc. etc. Hence, it was crucial to select a technology solution provider who could deliver on the basis of our technical parameters and cost feasibility. Since the project is nearing completion stage, I can state that we are happy to have Maccaferri as our execution partner.
We were the finalist for the prestigious International Ground Engineering Award for International Project of the Year for rockfall mitigation measures at Saptashringi Gad Temple Project. The Uttarakhand landslide project is one of a kind in the world, not just because of the terrain, weather, and range of solutions deployed, but also due to the connectivity it offers to some of the holiest pilgrim sites in India. In 2017, we became the proud winner of Aqua Foundation's Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution towards the cause of sustainability for the private sector.
This collaborative culture encourages limitless exchange of knowledge and expansion of ideas, enabling us to work towards the common goal of solving our customers' challenges.
As Maccaferri India continued to grow with investments in plants and expansion of offices, we also attracted the best talent, while our India-centric innovations started getting appreciated globally as well, which is why our knowledge capital is one of the most respected in the industry. Simultaneously, we received quality certifications, conducted hundreds of academic workshops across India, authored and chaired crucial codal committees, benefiting not just the industry in India, but even many neighboring countries.
In any construction design project, sustainable solutions are the need of the hour, and what matters most is innovating across all its aspects and delivering a holistic and optimal solution that combines human resources, materials, and implementation on a cost-effective basis. Companies like Maccaferri India are taking the onus of delivering such solutions, and I compliment them on taking a lead role in this regard.
As an expat living in this wonderfully diverse country for the past 4 years, I've seen a rapid expansion of our operation. Our investments in offices, factory and people helped us achieve a pan-India footprint. I take pride in saying that Maccaferri India is becoming one of the main growth engines of Officine Group.
We promise you exciting times ahead.